Okay, found it. What in the hell is going on? What's your first impression of the car, Bobby?
My first impression is it's cute.
She's got some stancy boy wheels on her for sure. It's an odd color, huh?
It is different. What's
like,
the original color?
I would say silver, judging by the wing. I better not be though, I hate silver. No, it's probably black, judging by the front bumper beam. I've always wanted a hatch. What do you think?
We didn't even come here for a car.
I know. That's the exciting thing about life.
Are you gonna ask him if it's okay if we record?
She needs some wide body wheels on her.
Did you tell him that we were on our way?
Yes.
What do you think?
I don't know. I'm never the biggest fan of buying a pre-built car. I like to build them myself.
Well, obviously you wouldn't leave it like this.
Obviously what?
You wouldn't leave it like this.
Yes. There's some stuff wide body fitting. Did you guys just build it?
Cute. I like the inside.
You want to sit in there?
No.
Why not?
You can.
Could you see me ripping this fucker down the street?
Mm-hmm.
I'm bringing that one with me. Do you have it for sale anywhere, or do you just...
I was gonna post it for sale eventually,
Yeah.
but guys, my brother, it's only me.
Oh, it's you, okay. Is this like a... What brand?
Tech wrap.
Tech wrap?
Yeah.
Do you like working with it? Is it decent enough?
It's a little bit tackier.
Is it? Okay.
Tackier, but that's the only thing. It as long as you use heat, you know,
Yeah.
you'll be good.
Is she built?
Mm-hmm.
It's all pretty much all stock.
Yeah. Yeah, and I have the front bumper in there too. It just has wrap on it.
Okay.
It's yeah.
She got a mouthplate. That's about it there. Looks like it needs a big ass turbo right about her.
It does. There's lots of space for it.
Just like yours. I'll take your turbo kit, put it on this fucker.
What?
Well, it'll fit.
I'm not touching mine.
I like that hood. That looks pretty sick.
Yeah, that is really cool.
Leave her open for now. She needs some thick boy wheels, huh?
She does.
What do you think, Bobby?
I really like it.
Do you?
I mean, I don't think you need another car, but
Well, it's a hatch. I've never owned a hatch.
you have owned a hatch in your life.
Not a STI, just a WRX.
Well, I would recommend driving it before you make any hasty decisions.
Yes.
You got the keys?
Yeah, right here. Yeah, I'm expecting it to be loud.
Are we gonna go for a little rip?
Damn, the phone holder don't work.
Is there room for me to like scoot back?
Yeah, this thing's like still like half torn apart.
I can see that.
ABS light on, airbag light on, traction control light on.
Oh, I'm like reaching for my seatbelt.
Oh, that's weird.
No seatbelts.
He said they're in here, but you never know. Huh. I didn't close the hood. I should probably close the hood.
You probably should close the hood.
So yeah, I like it, Bobby. But how that wide body's installed, you know?
Yeah.
Like that's why I'm not saying like it's maybe it just fit weird. I'm not saying someone put it on weird, but that's why I like to build my own shit, you know, and not buy previously built stuff.
Feel ya. There's that seatbelt light. Or noise.
Shut up. We can't put the seatbelt on, there ain't no seatbelt.
Can't you like click it a certain amount of times? Oh. Okay, that's enough.
You know how I have that skill? It's from your bum.
Maybe.
Should we do a rip?
Sure. These seats are comfy.
They're stock.
I like them.
Well, she needs an alignment. In a tune. She needs to be tuned. Holy hell, it's slow.
Sorry, it's not a 600 wheel car like my SUV.
This fucker is slow as shit and needs a hell of alignment. This thing needs a lot of work. I like a project.
I was gonna say, it's right up your alley then.
I'm pinned. This fucker's slow as shit. This might be the slowest car I've ever driven in my life.
No, that's not true. Maybe the slowest turboed car. Is the turbo even hooked up?
I don't think there's a turbo on it.
No, I saw it.
I'm kidding. Is this even a real STI? What if it's a WRX? Vandalism damage reported. That's suspect. Let's see when. Do you know what you're doing? Carfax looks alright. In 2018, there was vandalism on the car. Still clean title though. Sweet. I'm gonna go try to get a deal. Huh?
Yes.
Do you want it?
I don't need another STI.
But this can be your winter car. It's a wagon.
It's too nice for a winter car.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
You gonna do a burnout? Why do you keep doing that? I'll wait for this ombre to leave.
They're gonna yell at my light settings.
That truck is faster than me. It's literally faster. This fucker's missing the Brembos. What the hell? I am out. Why is it missing the Brembos?
I don't know, baby.
That's like $2,000.
Maybe he sold them.
This fucker, if it ain't like half the price of what he wants, then I'm out.
It's a cute car. Oh.
It's kind of,
Oh.
it's kind of just haggard though.
Okay.
You know? So the feller,
Nice guy.
a very nice guy. The car needs a lot of work. It's missing the Brembos. The wide body install is a little bit not up to par for what I would prefer. The wrap looks good.
I really like that color.
The color of the wrap is nice. The car was vandalized. So apparently when it was vandalized, they took the Brembos, they took the seats, and something else. But yeah, it's missing the Brembos, which that's like the main thing. That's like $2,000 value on the Brembos. So I don't know. I told him I'd think on it. He came down on the price a little bit, but I need it lower for it to make it worth it. I'd rather just buy a stock one that's like shitty, you know?
Yeah.
But it's not a, and it's got low miles, so I don't know. I guess we'll see. Anything you might want to add?
I just want to take a little nap.
Do you want to buy it for yourself?
I don't want another Subaru. Unless it's a Kilo Forester.
What the hell are you doing?
Here, it needs to be brighter.
Do you know how?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're trying to figure out how to get money to buy this stupid ass car. We're at New America, but New America won't give me money.
It's not a stupid ass car.
What kinda?
No, it's
Every car's stupid,
oh.
technically. So, I'm trying to figure out if Bobby will give me money, because Bobby has a New America account, but Bobby won't buy this car for me. Why do I do this?
Okay.
So yeah, I want to buy the car. I kind of gave him a fair offer. It's a little bit low, but the car needs a lot of work. So I'll see what he says. Bobby wants me to pay more. I want to pay less. I think Bobby should buy it. Okay. The next clip you might see me in a car. an STI hatchback. Let's see what he said to my lowball offer. He's seen it 5 minutes ago with no response.
He's thinking about it.
He doesn't want to take it. If he does accept the offer, we have to figure out how to get money. It is Friday. Banks are closed tomorrow. My bank is calling me right now. Hello?
Your call from STCU. We're connected. Thank you for calling STCU. I'm returning your call. My name is Nicole. How can I help you today?
Hi, I am down in, I know there's no STCU located in Wenatchee, so I'm curious. I'm trying to figure out how I'd be able to get money out of my account or get a cashier's check to purchase this car.
So we can issue you a cashier's check, but it has to be mailed.
Oh.
Are there ATMs around? But how much do you need to pull? How much do you need? Can you write a check?
I would, but I don't have my checkbook with me, so I came down here not planning to buy a car, and then a car popped up that I wanted, so yeah, I don't have my checkbook, and I just checked Numerica because I think they're a shared branch.
We don't do shared branching anymore.
Oh, you don't?
No.
That's sus. Okay.
And you wouldn't be able to.
Yeah. What if I sent him a wire? Would that be possible? Just a wire transfer?
You could definitely do a wire transfer. It does cost you $25 though.
Oh, okay. That's not too bad. How long would that take if I wired him, like, say right now? Would that take a few days, or is it?
Could be up to 3-ish days to fully get that.
Okay. All right. Well, I appreciate the help.
Yeah, you're welcome. Was there anything else that I could help with today?
That'll be it.
All right, thank you. Have a great day.
You as well. Goodbye. That ain't no help. Sorry, you can't get money. Wankers. Bobby, can I have 20 grand? Please? I'll buy you a cookie.
I hate cookies.
I'll buy you a donut.
I do like cookie dough.
Cookie dough? I'll buy you a cookie dough for 20 grand. This bunch of shit. Maybe I could cash app him.
What, the 250 bucks? What do you think of your new car?
I can appreciate it. She got a fat ass. Looks like Bobby going down the way. So you don't like the STI, huh?
No, I love it. It just barely runs. So
She needs to be turned up.
yeah, it's hard to drive.
All right, so we got the car. We're gonna head. That guy's doing a burnout. We're gonna head back to Leavenworth, and he's really doing a burnout. And I'm gonna drive the STI because Bobby is not comfortable driving the STI. So let's go for a little rip, boys. The more I drive this car, the more freaking work it needs. It runs like poop. She makes no power. It almost feels NA. Very odd. Alignment is ass, like straight up ass. You probably saw me swerving all over the roads, huh? Yeah. Going like this. Every freaking rut goes. Wah! But it's gonna be a fun project.
I will trade you for my STI for this one.
For this? Not a chance in hell. I'll trade you your STI for the new
Frick
hatchback.
that. No.
Shit. Bobby and I are gonna go drink White Claws. We have 3 each. We both get 3 White Claws each. We're staying the night in Leavenworth again, and then I think tomorrow we're gonna head back to Spokane. I really wanted to have a meet tonight, but it's raining, and apparently the meets in Wenatchee are pretty freaking late. So maybe we'll throw a meet in Leavenworth. There's probably like 4 people. There's 2,200 total people that live in Leavenworth, and there's probably like 1 that is a channel boy that follows the channel. So guess we'll see. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the new STI. I'm actually kind of excited for it. I've never had a hatch. It needs a ton of love, ton of work, ton of fixing, and then I can race Bobby and smoke her. Bobby and I decided to throw a last minute car meet.
Do you have the key for the other car?
Yes, and I don't think anyone's gonna show up because it's 10 p.m. right now. Can you do it?
No, baby.
Bobby, please. I'm vlogging. And so we're gonna go to the meet location right now. We're gonna post the Evo 10 up. I'm not gonna bring the STI because it's kind of a clap trap and nobody cares to see it, but we're gonna bring the Evo 10. We're gonna chill, and if anyone shows up, because it's like an hour away from where anyone lives, I'd be excited. Let's go see what happens. We're locked out of the STI. Nope.
Does it open up the trunk?
Let me try the other door.
Is there like an alarm on it?
Holy
Maybe?
shit, there's no fucking way. That does not have a lock on it.
Let's try the trunk.
There's nothing on the trunk.
Are you sure?
How do we get in the car? The key that we got for the STI works for the ignition, but not for the door. And there's no fob. This is some shit. What the fuck?
You need to contact that guy.
Okay, sweet. We have a STI that we can't get into. That's bullshit.
Try the other door.
There is no
Like on that side?
There's no lock on that door. There's no lock. Look.
No yell.
I'm not trying to yell, but look. Not a lock.
What kind of jalopy is this?
What the fuck? Whatever, I'm out.
Ain't no way, boy. Ain't no way, boy.
Oh shit.
No way, bro. No.
You guys are way too early. I was gonna get a beer first.
We're from here. Oh, you're from here. Yeah.
Hi, Bobby.
Nice to meet you, man. E-man, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Hi, Bobby. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, Bobby. It's so dark in here.
It is very dark. I couldn't find a better spot.
I mean, there's other parking lots, but they're being used right now.
I didn't get to film much at the meet, but it was a pretty freaking big turnout. Surprisingly. I don't know why people even come to my little stupid
You
meet.
need to give yourself more, like, what's the word? More recognition.
Why?
You need to be great. You need to be more positive about yourself. But I gotta go potty. We really need to go inside.
There's a lot of sick cars that came out. Everyone that came out, if you're watching this, I appreciate it. We got a ride in a Type R, Bobby and I. Bobby and I got a ride in a Type R, which was fun. They're trying to convince us to get a Type R, and we're gonna have to now. But yeah, that's about it for the night. Hey, a truck. Hey, the Mustang.
Get your ass over here. We gotta go pee.